How much money do you have?
Скажите.
No, I'm not going to be treated like garbage from everybody that comes in here. She did it on purpose, and she knows she did. Keep doing it. Smart ass.
Yep, smart ass.
Tell them like you almost been in hospital, like you almost been in hospital, like you almost been in junior high.
Yeah, who's across the line, you or me? Are you in kindling parking?
Pardon?
Are you here for kindling?
I can't understand.
Are you here for kindling?
I can't understand your accent. Taking a photo of me is illegal.
You should be parking kindling.
You are taking a photo of me. You do not have. That is recorded. You do not have the right to take a photo of me.
Go for it.
You are assaulting me by taking a photo.
You've hit my car.
Yes, and there's no damage.
And you should be parked here because it's kindling parking between 4 and 6 o'clock. You know, not. Where's your
Take
child?
that photo off me.
No. You parked across the line, not me.
This man is taking a photo of me without my permission. This man is videoing me without my permission.
This woman hit my car with her car because she wasn't parked properly in the car park space.
Bullshit.
You hit my car because you weren't parked properly.
Bullshit.
And you should be parked here in the first place because it's not for you. It's kindling parking between 4 o'clock and 6 p.m.
Who the fuck are you to tell me that? Take all the photos you like, buddy.
It's what we want, isn't it? We want to be abused in the car park.
Take all the photos you like. It's taking photos of me illegally. That is assault.
All right, this is a
I don't care.
This is a public beach.
Again, it's against FAA regulations.
There's no FAA regulation. This is
I've
unrestricted airspace.
Okay, I'll tell you what. If you don't ground them,
I am not going to fly again.
Out.
I'm not going to fly again, but I'm letting you know this is unrestricted airspace.
I will call Orange Beach PD.
I told you I'm not going to fly again.
I know you're not.
I'm not going to fly again, but this is unrestricted airspace.
Oh, that's where you're wrong.
This is what's your name, sir?
Anywhere from that pole up belongs to Summer Chase. You understand?
This beach right here belongs to Summer
All
Chase.
the way to that pole.
That pole. So we can step right down past that pole. Okay, I'm going to step down this right past the pole. What's your name, sir?
Go ahead. I know you're staying here.
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
You've been told.
What is your name, sir?
Don't worry about it.
What is your name, sir?
You've been told not to fly.
What's your name, sir?
I've had way too many complaints from these people.
What's your name, sir?
I've had way too many complaints.
What is your name, sir? Do you work here?
Yeah, actually I do.
All right, what's your name, sir?
You'll see me up here. Come on up here.
What's your name, sir? What is your name? If you have no name, you don't work here.
You've been told.
What's your name, sir?
You've been told not to fly.
All right. You're not an employee here. Have a great day. That's going to be...
The nerds.
Nerd, I hope you do call the cops.
Wait, I thought you were going to call the cops.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Look.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
I see you.
Flash it.
It's all right. This guy loves to park here, even though he's complained. All you guys had to do was drive away. Park in a real parking spot.
Bro, you're a
Park in a real parking spot.
You're an asshole.
I know, right? Such a bad guy.
Let me tell you something.
Make sure you don't hit that bike. It's in motorcycle parking. You couldn't put yourself to sleep.
Hey, listen. You want me to call the police? Let me just call the police.
Dude, how's that? Okay, call the police for you parking in the wrong spot. What have I done?
What you're gonna do is go to jail. Because I know everybody in this town. I've lived here 53 years.
I know everyone in this town too.
Good.
And let's see how good your lawyers are.
Bro, you make
All right, tell me what you're gonna call the police on. What are you gonna call the police on for?
I'm gonna call the police right now and have you arrested.
Oh, for what? Let's hear it. Call them and tell them how about you parked in a non-parking spot. I can see you're not on the phone. I can see the background of your phone. You're obviously not talking to anyone.
Hey, sir. So, did you hear that? He says he sees the back of my phone.
And that you're not
here instigating a fight.
Oh, no fight at all.
So if you could send me an officer right away, I would really appreciate it. Look, I'm with my wife. She parked the car. It's an accident. Okay? Nobody's hurt. Nobody's hit. But he's getting ready to antagonize or trying to antagonize one. And he thinks he's a smart ass. And he doesn't know who he's talking to.
Got it all on video. The whole thing about it is, all you guys have to do is park in a real parking spot.
That's all. All right. And when the man comes here now, you're going to jail.
Yeah. And what would I go to jail for?
What you going to jail for?
Yeah.
For trying to start a fight.
Oh, because I have you clearly on video saying how you're gonna put me to sleep.
What are you talking about, bro? Put you to sleep is one thing. That's not punching nobody.
Hasn't stopped playing. Hasn't stopped recording,
That's not
man.
punching nobody. Have I assaulted you? No, but you're assaulting me and my wife.
I don't think so, actually.
Oh, yes, you are, buddy. You're assaulting me in front of my wife.
I'm gonna make sure you don't hit my bike because you're in motorcycle parking.
Listen, I would never. I've never been in an accident in my life.
Well, just
okay?
if you leave,
and
it'll be all right.
Go to jail. Keep it up. Keep it up.
You see how scared I am. That's why I'm still standing here.
I'm telling you, he's asking for a big time. You know, the best thing to do is to call the police and let's get this over with.
You called him though, so we're waiting.
Aldridge, I think you probably know there's a leash law in Florida.
Get lost.
Well, your dog came over.
Get lost. I don't want to say nothing to you.
Well, your dog came over while she's loose here on the ground, pooing in my carport. So I guess the next time she poos in my carport, I'll just put it on your Lamborghini. And when my mom
If
brought,
I see you again, I'm gonna do something you may just not like.
oh, is that a threat?
Get lost.
There's a leash law. I think you
Get
know about
lost,
it.
you piece of shit.
I think you know about court laws. You already have one on your record.
I'm gonna give you about 2 seconds to get off my property. I'm gonna squirt you.
I'm off your property. There's a leash law.
Get out of here, lady.
Your dog followed us
Get
all
outta
the way
here.
down to the courthouse, all the way down to the clubhouse.
Get out of here.
There's a leash
Come
law.
on, Luna.
Put your dog on a leash.
Shut up and get lost.
I'm asking you to put your dog on a leash.
I'm telling you, get the hell out of here.
And you already squirted me with the water.
Oh, good, good. I'm gonna do it again if you don't get out of here.
I'm not on your property.
There, I did it again.
Doesn't bother me any.
It doesn't?
No.
Good. I'll keep doing it then. Because you don't bother me any. And my hose is fun to squirt on you.
Put your dog on a leash. All right, that's about 6 times you squirted me.
What about it? What about it?
I'm telling you, there's a law.
Get lost.
Put your dog
You're
on a
over
leash.
here harassing me, lady.
I'm not harassing you.
Get
You
lost.
harass me all the time. All the time.
Leave me alone, lady.
Leave me alone.
I don't say nothing to you.
I'm out on your
I have
property.
40. I saw you there and I walk around here. Conversation's over.
I'm not on your property.
Conversation's over.
Keep
Get
your
outta
dog.
here.
You keep squirting.
Get out
Keep
of here.
your dog on a damn leash.
Get out of here.
All right.
I'm calm. I'm calm. I just want to order. I just want to order without people cutting me. Sir. Right, and I'm behind them, but all these people come over there and go over there.
Can I help you?
I don't gotta order nothing.
So I can take your order?
You can go in front of me. Go ahead. Because you've been sitting here for a long time, just like me. You guys go. No, I ain't too busy on you better watch who you talking to. I'm right there. Now I gotta watch what you about there.
I just want my chicken sandwich. I'm about to.
All right there, little chicken. You need to shut up.
I got that whole video. Alright, that's gonna just be simple. Like, you just gonna gotta exit the restaurant because you can't be talking to my employees like that, period. So if you got a problem, I'm not gonna take your order and you're gonna exit.
Oh, so you don't want my order?
No, you're gonna exit.
So you don't want my order? I'll get in my car and go order my goddamn self. And you think you're not gonna take my order? So you don't want my money because your employees is rude?
How is she rude? Like,
Because she talking and she don't got nothing to say to me but take my order. That's what she paid for, to take my order. She get that $9 an hour to take my order and get it right.